lang. Joking.
Isa itong emergency broadcast ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas. Hindi ito isang drill.
This is an emergency broadcast by the Philippine government. This is not a drill.
Naglabas ang gobyerno ng utos na kanselahin ang Halloween at ipagbawal ang mga costume.
The government has issued an order to cancel Halloween and prohibit costumes.
Mula noong mga 3 oras PM, ilang tao na ang naiulat na nawawala sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa at nangangamba na may mga marahas na insidente na sinamantala ang Halloween.
Since about 3 p.m., several people have been reported missing in various parts of the country, and there are fears that there have been violent incidents that have taken advantage of Halloween.
Mangyaring ihinto kaagad ang iyong mga kaganapan at kasuotan at bumalik sa bahay. Huwag tumugon kung may kumakatok sa iyong pinto. Kinansela ang Halloween.
Please stop your events and costumes immediately and return home. Do not respond if someone in costume knocks on your door. Halloween has been canceled.
So, mag-cancel ang telefon. Hanggang